Gonna get in here after this inversion. If we get this inversion, I'm in there. Need to see the inversion. See how price is respecting that? No entry here. Price is respecting that inversion or that fair value gap. Want to see that fair value gap get inverse, 30-second fair value gap. Once that gets inverse, that is my confirmation. See, that is how we avoid a reckless trade by waiting. So all I'm waiting for here is to get that 30-second fair value gap inversed. Once we get that 30-second fair value gap inverse, that is my entry confirmation. And I'm in. In these YM longs. Stop loss below this level. Oh. Stop right there. In there. See what happens here. Take profit right up there. I'm gonna take 2 off up there. Let the rest run. Now we simply wait to see what price wants to do. Let's push. Let's push. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Insane, guys. Insane. Let's go. Let's push. Just waiting here. Price to play out. Nice. Beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. Nice push from here. Let's keep it pushing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's go. Almost at TP here. Taking that out. Let's take that out. Beautiful. Let the rest run a little bit more. I'm gonna get out up there. Let's trail this stop right here. I'm gonna trail my stop now. Try to see if we can get a little bit more juice out of this. See if we can squeeze a little bit more juice out of this. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm out there. I'm out. It's cool. I don't like how it's hesitating. I wanted a aggressive push, but I'm out there. And that is that. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Check out the link in my bio if you want to trade live with me every single day. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more trading content. Peace out.